Are you wondering what is a CE button on your calculator and what does it do? So the CE first stands for clear entry. It can be very helpful if you are doing a fairly long calculation and simply make a mistake on your calculator in the last entry. So for example, I want to calculate how much is 10 plus 5. So that would be 15, right? So let's do it. So 10 plus, but instead of me pressing 5, I accidentally maybe press 6. So if I press equal, it will mess up basically my result. So, but if I simply press the CE button, so you see it simply clears the number 6 that I just entered, and I can basically type in the next part of the correct my mistake. So you see I would enter 5 and then press the equal. I see it still remembers my first, and actually, so the 15. So let's do one more example. For example, I want to calculate this 5000 plus 231, so it should be this. So let's do the calculation. First, I'll enter the 5000, 5000. So you see we have 5000, and next plus, but instead of me entering the 231, I basically miss a key, and for example, enter too much. So you see, it will completely mess up my calculation and the result won't be correct. So what I want to do, instead of actually deleting the whole calculation, the both parts of the calculation, I only want to delete this last one. So see, if I press it, it simply deletes this last one, but it actually keeps this first one in the memory. So if I now enter the correct number, 2, 3, 1, so you see it actually still remembers the first entry and calculates it correctly. And let's do once more. So you see, I have actually 4 different entries here. So if at the end I mess up, I have to actually delete all of them, and it wastes a lot of time, obviously. So let's do this one. So for example, 50 times 4 times 20, but again on the last one I mess up. So instead of entering like 30, I enter maybe like 333. So again, it would completely mess up my calculation, and I would simply have to delete everything and re-enter basically all the long stuff. But if I press the CE button, it will simply delete this last, and I can simply correct it. So again, let's enter the correct one, and we have our correct answer now. Okay, good luck.